Appreciate and encourage the spirit of the sportsmanship and excellence displayed by our talented students. Our sports day is a red letter day on the calendar. It is a day when students are freed from their classrooms to jump and run around. School Sports Day is a day for lots of action and smiling face. It's a day for victories and defeats, for success and failure. Today is a great pleasure for us to have the great personalities, Principal Reverend Sister Sanjana, along with Reverend Sister Father. So, ladies and gentlemen, please give them a huge round of applause and welcome to the stage. Today is a great pleasure for us to have the great personalities, those who all have graciously accepted our invitation to join us today. On behalf of St. John's family, I would like to extend a warm welcome to our honorable dignitaries and thank them for taking the time to be with us. Now, as we have our chief guest arrived at the stage, on the stage, it's a time for us to welcome them. And I would like to call Father Rajesh to introduce our guests and the dignitaries of the day.
Greatly privileged to introduce to you about our honorable chief guest, Reverend Father Birendra Ekka. He is an honest and committed Catholic priest for the Diocese of Sambalpur. He hails from Sundargarh district, Odisha. He has dedicated his life for the service of God and mankind. For many years, cabinet members of our school accompanying the distinguished guests for the flag hosting ceremony.
हाउस कैप्टन, 4 फ्लैग बेरर्स, कुल मिला के 86 छात्र छात्रियां आपके निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है। कृपया करके परेड शुरू करने की अनुमति दीजिए।
Our distinguished guests for the annual sports day. They are beautifully accompanied by the cabinet members to all four houses, 4 platoons of our St. John's School. Each platoon consisting of 120 members, and they are headed by one each captain. Run and perform in military and other contexts to convey dignity and stainless. We can witness here cabinet members are in a controlled walking pace in a deliberate and rhythmic manner. And Reverend Father Birendra, Reverend Father Roshan, and Reverend Sister Sanjana, making a keen inspection to each young soldier of our platoons and houses. As they receive the distinguished guests in their respective houses, gardens, with their appropriate bodily gesture, we can feel the presence of the spirit of sportsmanship in them. We have 4 houses, 4 colors, red, green, blue and yellow houses representing and the members of the students of St. John's School. It is very amazing and beautiful to see cabinet members taking the distinguished guests to different plantons of the school.
Drum beat rolls, the band strikes up, and a high-pitched voice issues a command. We are extremely glad to introduce the 4 distinctive houses: the yellow house, blue house, green house, and red house. Here, the march past begins. Right in front marching, head boy Puneet and head girl Yasmin, along with vice head Ranveer and the vice head Sunani guide the entire parade of cadets. Now watching the adorable marching of Yellow House. The yellow color symbolizes joy, happiness, optimism, idealism, led by the captain, Master Henry Abjal, and the flag bearer, Miss Anvesha. Here, up inside the blue house, which symbolizes wisdom, trust, loyalty, strength, led by the captain, Rajpal, and the flag bearer, Aisha. Now at your side, Gracious March of Greenhouse symbolizes nature, generosity, and the fertility led by Captain Abhishek and the flag bearer Miss Kunal. Now, Red House is marching majestically in front, which symbolizes the passion, power, sincerity, and strength, followed by Captain Sam Mishra and the flag bearer Miss Jyotsna.
moment indeed. Master Praneeth, the head boy, is the first torch bearer, and now it is handed over to Master Afzal from Yellow House, who exhibits a good team spirit. Now it is handed over to Master Rajpal, representing the Blue House. Master Abhishek from Greenhouse receives the torch, who is an efficient leader, and lastly, it is carried by Master Shriyam from Red House, who exhibits good leadership qualities. Together, they will hand over the torch to the chief guest. Now, together, they will hand over the torch to the chief guest. The flame of
Function consists of oath-taking ceremony because it is an important ceremonial gesture signifying the official beginning of an event. In simple words, it is a formal promise, especially a promise to be loyal to an authority and follow rules. By doing so, participants make a public commitment to the duties, responsibilities, and obligations that are associated with a sports event. Here I call upon the cabinet members for the oath-taking ceremony.
The students of St. John School, Angarwa, swear to take part in this annual athletic meet 2024-25 in true spirit of sportsmanship for the glory and honor of sports.
Virendra Kant hereby declare the Fictional Sports Day 2024 and 25 open.
And now the 100-meter race for grade 7 and 8 boys is already begun, and the participants are already reached towards the finishing line. As soon as we will going to have the result of the ceremony of class 5th and 6th and the KG grade students, I would like to request the concerned teachers to gather the students for the prize distribution ceremony. Class 5th and 6th students and the KG students. As we have finished the spoon marble race of grade 3-4 girls, give huge round of applause for the
Goes to Jyoti Mahakur from class 6A. The first prize goes to MD Sami from class 5th B. Second prize goes to Subhranshu Kumar Behra from class 5th B. And the third prize goes to MD Rijwan Ansari from. And the second one, 200-meter race for grade 5th and 6th girls category. The first prize goes to S. Aradhya Malik from class 5th A. Second prize goes to Swati Smita Sahu from class 5th A. And the third prize goes to Subhasri Subhadarsani from class 5th B. From class 5th B, and the third prize goes to Subhasri Subhadarsani from class 5th B.
next event is short put class. Game. The boys category, the first prize goes to Divyanshu Rao from KG1. The second prize goes to Rudraditya Mishra from KG1. And the third prize goes to Sriram Sahu from KG1. The first prize goes to Divyanshu Rao from LKG. Second prize goes to Rakesh Mahapatra from LKG. And the third prize goes to Satwik Prusti from LKG. From LKG.
Your name?
Of the frog jump from girls category, the first prize goes to Aradhya Morana from LKG. The second prize goes to Ayushi Prakash from LKG, and the third.
As we are begin the relay race for class 9th and 10th senior girls, please give them a huge round of applause, those who are in this event and they are dedicated to win the race.
Get ready. Get ready.
Boys, get ready.
On this side.
Kudos to the boys. Let's have a big round of applause for our children. Power Yoga boys of class 3rd are requested to come to the stage.
race, that is from class 3 and 4 girls. Shruti Jagruti Pradhan from class 4th B. Avni Kumari from class 4th A. Third prize Tanaya Tanisha from class 3A. I repeat, first prize Shruti Jagruti Pradhan from class 4th B. Second prize Avni Kumari from 4th A. Third prize Tanaya Tanisha from 3A. Please be ready. Second, Ankitesh Ranjan from class 3B. Suraj Sahu from 4th A. Sai Suraj Sahu from 4th A. I repeat the name of the boys. First prize, Darshan Krishna Patnaik from 4th A. Second prize and 4th. First prize goes to Anshu Priya Yadav from class 4th B. Anshu Priya Yadav. Second prize Sweta Padma Mishra from class 4th A. Third prize Seti Kusumanjali from 4th B. First prize Anshu Priya Yadav from A. Third prize Seti Kusumanjali from 4th B. Boys from class 3 and 4, Rajesh Praharaj for the first prize from class 3B. Second prize Sai Suraj Sahu from 4th A. And the third prize Rishit Riyan Sahu from 4th B. I repeat, first prize for the 100-meter race for the boys. First prize Rajesh Praharaj from 3B. Now I request Father Bartholomew Bilung to come to the dais to give the prize. Long jump girls from class 3 and 4, Naik from 4th A.
This time, video call.
50-meter race for the class 1 and 2 boys. We had first prize goes to Anshuman Behera from class 2A, and the second prize Aditya Raj from 2A. Third prize goes to Kanika Raj from 2A, and the Shekhar Okay, 50-meter race for the girls. Yashmin Burma, wherever you are, please come to the stage. And the third prize, Kundan Rai. Yes. First prize goes to Rajpal from class 10. Second prize goes to Arav Kumar Singh from class 10. And the third prize goes to Debashis Sarangi.
Right Reverend Bishop Niranjan Saul Singh heading this institution. St. John's School focuses on all-round development of students' personality. We encourage our students to discover new ventures in various fields of education. We believe that destiny of a child is shaped in its classroom. In order to simplify the classroom learning, smart boards are introduced. School provides a diverse environment where students can interact with each other and learn to appreciate different cultures, backgrounds and perspectives. Schools also teach the children important social skills.
First prize goes to Soyanshu Satyapragya Sahu from class 8. Second prize goes to Amlan Rautray from class 8. Third prize goes to S. Aryan Malik from class 7th B. I repeat the names. For the 200-meter race for class 7 and 8 boys, third prize S. Aryan Malik from class 7th B. 100-meter race for the girls. The third prize goes to two of them, that is Sohani Yashmin Burma. Second prize. Long jump for the girls and 8. First prize goes to Rajika Rishika Pradhan from class 7A. Second prize Kushum Mahato from class 8. Third prize Shreyas Pradagarnayak from class 8. First prize Rajika Rishika Pradhan Chauhan from class 10. Second prize Garima Boxre from class 9. Third prize Sohani Sahu from class 10. First prize Komal Chauhan. Second prize Garima Avinash Lugun from class 10. Second prize Rohit Kumar Yadav from class 10. Third prize Rajpal from class 10. I repeat the names. First prize discus throw for class 7th 8 boys.
May I request our audience to give them a huge round of applause for all the winners of this event.
7th and 8 boys. First prize Raviranjan Kumar from class 8. Second prize Sandeep Singh from class 8. Third prize goes to Shreyasth Singh Bharadwaj from class 7th 8. Shreyasth Singh Bharadwaj. Discus throw for the 7th and 8th girls. First prize Anushika Raut from class 8. Second, third prize Survi Kumari. Discus throw prize Avinash Lugun from class 10. Third prize goes to Binay Bhushan from class 10. I repeat the names. First prize Rohit Kumar Yadav. Second prize Avinash Lugun. Third prize Binay Bhushan. Discus throw for the girls. Five from class 9. Third prize Disha Kandar from class 10. I repeat the names for class 9th 10th girls for the discus throw. First prize Lopa Mudra Nayak. Second prize Rimi Dalai. Third prize Disha. Second prize Yashmin Burma from class 10. Third prize Shubhashri Sahu from class 9. I repeat the names. First prize Rimi Dalai. Second prize Yashmin Burma. Shot put for the girls from class 9th and 10th. First prize Rimi Dalai, class 9. Second prize, Yashmin Burma from class 10. Third prize, Subhashri Sir from class 8. Third prize, Surbhi Kumari from class 8. I repeat the names for the short food girls from class 7 and 8. Anushika Raut for the first prize. Second prize, Isha Gaur. Third prize, Surbhi Kumari. First prize, Ravi Ranjan from class 8. Second prize, Satyajit Mahapatra from class 7th A. Third prize, Himanshu Behra from class 7th A. I repeat the names. First prize, Ravi Ranjan. Second prize, Satyajit Mahapatra. Third prize, Arav Kumar Singh from class 10. Second prize, Aman Kumar Sahani from class 9. Third prize, Avinash Lugun from class 10. I repeat the names. First prize, the last event of the day is long jump from class 7th and 8th boys. Audience, I request everyone to give a big round of applause to all the participants and the winners of this.
लाइन बना खड़ा रहो मेक लाइन मेक लाइन
ये टोटो के साथ है
लाइन
टोटो के साथ है
लाइन बनो कम
चलो सुन निकलना बंद चलो अब घर के साथ चल
मेक लाइन putting on it voice Dilshan goes out. Dilshan